Hello, and thanks for joining us today at Recipes Recommended. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare one of the simplest yet most impressively delicious sauces just in time for Valentine's Day. Let's start with the ingredients. Finely minced shallots, white wine, here to be on theme we're using champagne, white wine vinegar, or any other acid like lemon juice, cold unsalted butter, salt and pepper, and finally an optional ingredient but one which will ensure your success, heavy cream. Combine all the ingredients, excluding the butter, into a pan and simmer over medium to medium-high heat until the mixture is reduced by at least 75% or a little more. You want there to be some liquid remaining. This step requires all of your attention, and if you look away and it burns, you'll have to start over. The burned shallots will make everything bitter and there's no saving it. Depending on the pan you use, this can take anywhere up to 10 minutes, so don't walk away. Reduce your burner to low heat and take your cubed cold butter and whisk in a couple to start. We're making a butter emulsion. If you've ever made a pan sauce with cubed butter, it's the same process. Once the butter is incorporated, repeat with a couple more cubes. You don't want to go too fast or use warm butter. If you aren't slow and mindful, you'll end up with a broken sauce which is a total pain to fix, and most of the time it's easier just to start over. Because we add a little heavy cream, the sauce also has a little more stability. I'm not entirely sure why, but all modern Beurre Blanc recipes recommend it. I'll find out and let you know in the blog post I'll write for our website. Once the sauce coats the back of a spoon, the sauce is done. You don't have to, but I think it's a good idea to strain the sauce through a fine mesh strainer into something nice to serve it in, like a gravy boat. Also, unless you plan on using the sauce right away, you need to keep it warm between 80 and 120 degrees. If it gets too cold and you try to reheat it, it'll break and all your hard work will be ruined, but I have a feeling you'll use it right away. There you go, a super complex and fancy French sauce with only a few steps. It's so luscious and delicious and goes so well with roasted fish or vegetables. Happy Valentine's! We sincerely hope you have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button, commenting, and subscribing. You can find the whole recipe on our website, recipesrecommended.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget, great minds eat alike.